My wish for you is to become financially successful so that you can enjoy life and also support your family, your parents. When you have money, everything is fine, and you can really support a lot of people, and people can also love you when you have money. But when you're broke, no one wants to have you around. Today we shall really see what financial education teaches us. When you have knowledge about financial education, what do you do? What does it teach you to do? So there are a couple of things that you'll do when you are someone who is educated about finance. One of them is budgeting. You can be so good at budgeting, but someone without financial education is not good at budgeting at all. Even they don't budget. Budgeting helps you to know where every money goes and also where every money comes from.